Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to view all completed tasks here on Clickup. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Clickup, I need you to hit the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Viewing all completed tasks in Clickup is a straightforward process that can provide valuable insights into your workflow, progress, and team performance. All right. Now, for example, I have a specific task here. Currently, it's in progress. I'm going to mark it as complete. All right. And this task has 3 unresolved items. Basically, we are a group of individuals, all right, working on the GPLAPS channel. And as you can see, we are here to help you solve your problems quickly. And if you haven't already, you might want to click on the subscribe button so you get the daily content that we do every single day. We have so many ClickUp tutorials for you guys that you might want to check out. Now, I'm just going to click on the continue anyway. Now, the task is complete. As you can see, the status has shown on the left side panel of the interface. Now, for you to be able to view all the completed tasks here on ClickUp, all you have to do, depending on how you set up your account, I want you to click on the dashboards right here. On the dashboards, just select the dashboards that you're currently working with. In my case, I'm going to be using this one. Now, you see I have 2 completed tasks, all right? 0 in progress and 1 completed again for a different scenario. All right, so that's how you basically view all completed tasks. Now, the idea is reviewing completed tasks here allows team managers, like one of our project manager here on GPLAPS, to assess team productivity, understand who is contributing most, and identify any areas for improvement. Since we are working with multiple individuals, and one is assigned to create the thumbnails, one are assigned to create the videos, and one is doing the back end. It helps in recognizing and celebrating team members' efforts, boosting morale for acknowledging their contributions. Because for each task, with time tracking enabled, viewing completed tasks can show how long different tasks took long to complete. All right. Now, switching over to the spaces here, as you can see, there's a lot that you can work with. And of course, you can open task by assignee. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.